Here we want to demonstrate the atraumatic extraction of a non-restorable maxillary lateral incisor tooth. This tooth was deemed non-restorable with a fracture in it. To numb the area, what we're going to do is we're going to use a attachment to our standard syringe. It's called a VIBRAJECT through Golden Dental Solutions. And it vibrates the needle such that the motor effect of the vibration blocks the pain receptors. And I would say about 80% of my patients notice a dramatic improvement in the discomfort with that initial penetration of the needle. And that same holds true with the palatal injection. The PHYSICS forceps is a unique tool. It has two components, a beak and a bumper. The beak is engaged onto the palatal surface of the root, 1 to 3 millimeters. The bumper is placed as high up the vestibule as possible, and with simple rotation of the wrist towards the left nostril, and you can see I'm not squeezing the instrument at all. There's no forearm bicep or shoulder pressure. I'm simply rotating my wrist, and in a matter of seconds, the tooth will dislodge up and out of the socket following the arc of rotation of the instrument itself. Physiologic reaction is an enzymatic release which breaks down the periodontal ligament, and again in a minute or so the tooth will literally pop out of the socket. The instrument is not intended to remove the tooth in total. Here you see that the tooth is coming up and out and has been luxated. Tooth delivery instrument is simply an instrument to grab onto the root structure facially and palatally, and with a simple rotation I'm able to remove the tooth root in one piece, maintaining the facial plate of bone, maintaining the interseptal bone and the interdental papilla. This is very important in the aesthetic zone. A difficult extraction becomes very routine using the Golden PHYSICS forceps. We want to, here we can see the curvature of the root. We will take a sharp curette and simply curette any granulation that may be present. We're also evaluating the facial wall, which is certainly intact in this situation. And we are now prepared to place our implant. We're going to do some measuring using the Hahn 2.